I'm going to have a tantrum like an actor now. Good morning, welcome to this lovely sunny day in the marina. What could possibly go wrong? Unfortunately, things do go wrong in a marina, and on this occasion what I'm going to talk about is basic life support and how to do CPR to keep someone alive, buy them time until the ambulance gets here. And I've got the help here of my assistant Annie, who looks not very well with her arms and legs missing, but she will help us show you how to demonstrate how to do basic life support. So the first thing we do is remember Dr. ABC. The D is danger, remove Annie from the danger or the danger from Annie. The next is the R, which is response. What I need to do is try and get a response out of Annie to see if she's okay. Annie, can you hear me? Can you hear me? On this occasion, I'm not getting any response at all, so we go to the ABC. The A is the airway, really important. Help Annie with her airway is by tilting her head tilt, chin lift, to lift the tongue off the roof of the mouth to keep her airway open. I'm now going to do B, which is the breathing. I need to check for breathing. Up to, but no more than 10 seconds. Look, feel and touch. And she's not breathing. So I'm going to go to chest compressions and rescue breaths to buy her time. We get an ambulance, 999. Heel of the hand in the center of the chest. Lean over the body, straight down, 4 to 6 centimeters. I'm going to do 30 compressions. And after 30 compressions, give her 2 rescue breaths, pinch the nose, head back. And then back to compressions. And we're going to keep this going until the paramedics arrive. Stay safe.